Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back to that AMG. Today we are going to be going for a POV sunset cruise right now. Right now, it feels like it's golden hour. Sunset's going down. Super clear roads. Not a lot of people out right now. It's a perfect time to take the AMG out and go for a little drive. What do you guys think? Should we put it in Sport Plus or what? Yeah, we got that one. Nothing like a little easy win to start off the vlog. That's why I love the AMG. Put in the Sport Plus, drop a gear, and you disappear. I just hear that. comments what kind of content you guys like to see. If you guys want more of these POVs, or what kind of style content it is that you want to see from this channel, let me know in the comments. Alright, heading back before the sun disappears completely. Let me know in the comments if you want a version of this exact drive in the night, or what do you guys prefer, sunset, morning, or night POVs? Let me know down in the comments. Alrighty, if you like that POV, drop a like, subscribe, write down in the comments what you want to see next. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.